For large-scale additive manufacturing, the reference scale in terms of dimension of the part we can print starts with 1 cubic meter, and from this dimension we can scale the process up to several meters. By robotic large-scale additive manufacturing, we mean a system where we integrated 3D printing processes using robotic support as a motion support. The way we started has been by integrating industrial robots with 3D printing processes. There are many reasons why we decided to go this way. Main ones, of course, is because of the scale. Robots are available in different sizes. So with the same system and the same architecture, we propose to customers different machine setup and different configurations according to the application and the specific needs they may have. Of course, the very basic robot setup, it's already bringing to the user the possibility to program a 6-axis machine. One of the reasons we like robots, it's also the fact that they are pretty compact systems that allow the user to print very large-scale components. That is a consequence of the robot kinematics, of course. And what is very powerful about robotics is that we are not into a Cartesian wireframe anymore. We are in a more free construction environment. And the fact that we are allowed to easily program a complex kinematics open up the possibility to print not only in a standard slicing mode, but also to program a multi-planar in non-planar as well as in conformal printing on an already existing components. So-called FGF, fused granule fabrication. This is a technology that is based on an extrusion process where we extrude thermoplastic material that can be natural, can be filled with fiber, with a very important focus on circular economy, on material that can be fully recycled as well. We've been designing different extruder models that have different performance and different output capability, but of course dimension and throughput are very important factors to be sustainable and to fulfill the customer requirements. Because we are a truly application-oriented company and we need to target specific needs. So every machine setup is designed and optimized for a reason, for a specific industry, material and application, allowing this technology to penetrate industries such as the aerospace, the marine and the construction, for example,